We're Pass and Go Driving School, and we're here to show you how to submit your DBS application. A DBS is a criminal record check which you must do in order to become an ADI or an Approved Driving Instructor. You must get a new DBS check even if you already have one, as the DVSA do not accept the online subscription service. Applying for the DBS will cost you £8.22 at the time of recording. In order to apply for your DBS, you must visit the website that is in the description below. Now I'll show you exactly how to apply for your DBS. So the first thing that you'll notice is that we're on First Advantage Know Your People. And the first thing that's going to ask you for is your organisation ID. Now if you have been speaking to us directly, we'll have sent you a PDF with all of this information in already. However, if you haven't, I'll show you exactly what to type in here. So the organisation ID that you'll be needing is ORG-37PYZ-BHM. And the access code that it's going to ask you for is axisPDIPO. axisPDIPO. And then if you can just enter your email address below as well and press I'm not a robot, and hopefully that should confirm everything there. Alright, so once you're on this page, remember to click the tick box in the top left. Of course, you are looking to be a driving instructor, so that is all correct. And then if you can just pop your first name, your last name, and then create a password for your account. And if you just press register in the bottom right. So this should take you to the start page with your email address in this top box. And if you can just type in the password that you've just typed in, it should allow you to log straight into your account. Brilliant. So now, if you press Driving Instructor, press Next in the bottom right as well. That should take you to the next screen. And there is some important information here that you should take note of before applying. It is going to ask you for your full name that you're officially known by, your current address and 5 years address history, your passport and driving licence if you have these, as well as any identity documents as required by the DBS as part of verification. You will need to take your documents to the post office, and also a debit or credit card, and this is to pay a payment of £8.22, which will be taken later in the application process. Obviously, I am applying for a DBS check, and I do consent to it. However, I would really implore you to read those yourself and just make sure that it's all okay with you as well. So now, if you can just fill out the information, such as your gender, your title, and everything like that, your historical names, and your address history. If you put all of those in, we should be able to go on to the next page as well. It will ask you to find the local post office that you're wanting to verify your documents at. Please pick one that has suitable times for you. It will ask you whether you're a UK national. Once you press next, it will ask you to put in some documents that you do have. I know yourself, you most likely will have a driving licence. However, if you don't have a passport or any of these documents on this page, you can press here, I cannot select any more documents. Now this will give you a lot more selection, such as a bank statement, a bank opening letter, credit card statement, mortgage statement, or even a utility bill. So once you've selected your documents, you will have to put in the correct information for that document. So currently it is asking me for the driving licence photo card. Now once you get to this page, it will ask you to verify all of the information that you've already put in. So please just double check all of this information is correct. If you have made any mistakes, you can press this button here, which says Change Verification Document Selection. However, if you have done everything correctly, you can just go to this box at the bottom, which is DBS Declaration by Applicant. You can read all of this information here and declare that you've provided a complete and true information in support of the application, and I understand that knowingly making a false statement for this purpose is a criminal offence. Once you've read all this information, you can confirm and submit. Once you've done this, it will take you to the payment page, where the amount due is £8.22. Once you've made payment, this should take you to this screen here. It should say, thank you, your application has been submitted. Once you've downloaded your verification letter, I would recommend that you print it off and take it with your selected verification documents directly to the post office. Once you've sent off your DBS application, it may take up to 6 weeks to return to your home address. In the meantime, we'd recommend studying for your theory as soon as possible, so that you're ready by the time it comes back. For more information, you can visit our website or send us an email at findyourhappy@passandgo.net. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.